Hi, my name is Dave. Today I'm going to show you this Kenko 100mm Maksutov Cassegrain telescope. It's got 1400 millimeters of focal length. It's not terribly old. I'm guessing it's from about the 90s or maybe the early 2000s. I'm not sure if it really qualifies as a classic. The main reason I bought this telescope was for the mount. This mount is just fantastic. This scope comes in a couple of nice travel pouches like so. Open those up. Here's the main OTA. A bunch of accessories, eyepieces and stuff. This is the mount. These legs are actually quite heavy. Now I've got it set up with the star diagonal and an eyepiece. This mount is really, really good. This is the same mount as found on Pentax 60mm and 80mm refractors. It's a very, very high quality. That's the main reason I bought this telescope. I didn't really need another 4-inch Maksutov. The mount makes this. It's superb. It's got really good slow motions. Very smooth, very nice, very sturdy. Makes for a nice telescope that way. The deficiencies with this telescope are the optics, which surprisingly are not good. Very unusual to have a Maksutov that doesn't have good optics, but this one doesn't. They're not bad, but they're not good. And the finder, oh, this finder is terrible. This mount here is really terrific. There's a friction lock for the azimuth. Lock that down and then you've got azimuth slow motion. I can't tell you how nice and smooth this is. This is just beautiful. Superb. The altitude is a little tricky because once you loosen it, it wants to go. But you loosen it up a little bit and then move it to where you want, and then you tighten it down, and that control is just superb. This is a wonderful little mount. Be sure to check out my video linked in the description where I compare this scope with several other Catadioptric Cassegrain telescopes. I hope you enjoyed having a look at this Kenko 100mm Maksutov Cassegrain. Thank you for watching.